The Nissan Armada and the Infiniti SUVs, QX56, QX80, are very prone to these LED lights burning out right here in the speedometer area. My 0 through 20 was out, and as you notice now, it's very bright. The reason it's very bright is because I got it fixed, and fixed the proper way, which was taking this apart to get the speedometer out and shipping it to someone who knows what they're doing. If you take this to the dealership, they're going to charge you $2,000, and all they're going to do is put in a whole nother unit that still has the same weak, cheap LEDs that will burn out eventually. I sent this to Automotive Circuit Solutions. Go to their Facebook page, and the first thing you'll see is them working on one of these units, replacing the LEDs with better ones. So if you want to continue watching this video and see how to take this apart to get to it and how to ship it off, please stay tuned. Welcome to Night Train Off-Road. I don't know if you could tell, but the 0 through 20 are out on my speedometer. Can't really tell with the camera, but they're out. They're very dim. And you can also see how disgusting the lens is on this vehicle. It's not that bad usually, but with this camera, it really highlights it. So you gotta start about right in here. Just pull down. That'll come loose easy. And the other one will too, on the other side. Terrible view, I know, sorry. This one's the hardest one to get out. Kind of got to pull and use one of these tools. This will save you a lot of money because you won't break anything. Then you kind of just pull this part up a little. This comes loose too. Disconnect these. Then you can get to it. Taking this apart was the hardest part. Gotta disconnect these. I also got a zip tie going through there, through a little hole. I cut it off where it's at the hole instead of cutting it off right there. Then on the other side, it's hard to get to. There's little clips in the back. Little bitty ones right there on both of these. They're really hard to get to. Easiest way is I push this through. It's got two clips. I didn't even disconnect this. It was hard to, I was trying to do it first and it was hard to do. Then I finally found those little clips. It's hard to get behind there because there's no slack. So I finally found those little clips when I got this pulled out. When I got this pulled out, it gave it a little more slack and I could find those clips. I'm just leaving this because it's enough room to get all these out. It's just little screws back here. Phillips head screws, 4 of them. And now I get to look at this finally. Look at all this wonderful armor all the former owner sprayed all over it. Don't ever do that. It never comes off. It causes a chemical reaction. You can steam it or try to sand it. It won't do anything. Just buy another lens. And we're also going to send this off to Automotive Circuit Solutions to fix those lights and to change out all the other lights. And if you even look on their Facebook page, you'll see this exact dash right here getting worked on in a short. So it's a very common issue, this and the Infiniti. So it's out. All it took was getting this loose. There's a clip on it just like everything else. It's just this little unit right here. So we're going to ship this whole unit off to them. They should get it back in one day. It takes 24-hour turnaround. Here it is, all fixed. Looks great. Got there, I sent it on Friday, got there Monday. He was done with it Monday afternoon, and he got back here Wednesday afternoon. No problems at all.